Solution of partial differential equation by direct integration. Solve dou square z dividing by dou x square equal to cos x. We have only one function in the right hand side, independent variable x, and here dou square z is differentiated with respect to x 2 times. So while doing the reverse process, so here first integrating with respect to x. So here we can write it this as integration dou by dou x of dou z by dou x into dx equal to integration of cos x into dx. Now if we differentiate this one, we get, if we integrate this one, we get dou z by dou x equal to integration of cos x is sin x plus we are considering the function of y as arbitrary function as constant. Now integrate once again with respect to x. So we get here integration dou by dou x of z into dx equal to integration of sin x into dx plus we are integrating this one with respect to x plus constant is g of y. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus this one we write it as it is dx plus g of y. So z can be written as minus cos x plus integration function of y into dx. So integration, this one f of y is constant, then integration with respect to x we can write it as minus cos x plus x into f of y plus g of y is the answer. So second one, solve dou cube z dividing by dou x square into dou y equal to cos of ax plus by. Here we must integrate with respect to x 2 times, then we must integrate with respect to y once. So solution is first integrate with respect to x. So what we get here 3 times we have differentiated in the questions. So here the integration should be 3 times. So we get integration dou by dou x of, so if you take dou by dou x common, we get dou square z dividing by here dou x of dou y changes in x, integration of cos of ax plus by into dx. So here we can write it this as dou square z by dou x dou y equal to integration of cos is sin of ax plus by plus here we are integrating with respect to x, so function y is constant, so f of y. Now integrate with respect to x. So this one directly we can write it as dou z by dou y, integration with respect to x, sin is minus cos of, here while integrating this one we get dividing by a. So here sin is minus cos of ax plus by dividing by, so already a is there, here once again we get a, so a square plus integration of f of y is constant, so x into f of y plus g of y. Now y is there, integrate with respect to y. So z equal to, we are integrating with respect to y, cos is sine of ax plus by dividing by a square into coefficient of y is b, so dividing by b we get, plus we are integrating with respect to y, so x into integration f of y dy plus integration of g of y dy plus h of x is the answer. Now solve dou square z dividing by dou x dou y equal to sin x into sin y, for which dou z by dou y is minus 2 sin y when x is 0 and z is 0, when y is an odd multiple of pi by 2. Solution. So here dou square z by dou x into dou y is there. First we differentiate, we integrate with respect to x. Sometimes we can do the reverse process also. So here dou z by dou y is there. So first we eliminate the x from this one. So integrating with respect to x. So we can write it as dou by dou x of dou z by dou y into dx equal to integration of sin x into sin y into dx. Now this is nothing but dou z by dou y equal to integration of sin x is minus cos x into sin y plus constant is y, so f of y. Now it is given that dou z by dou y is minus 2 times sin y when x is 0 as well as z is 0, but here z we need not substitute. So dou z by dou y is what? Minus 2 times sin y equal to minus cos x into sin y. X is 0, so cos 0 plus f of y. Cos 0 is 1. We write it minus 2 sin y. This sin y bring it to left hand side. It is become plus sin y equal to f of y. So f of y we can write it as minus sin y. Now this substitute f of y equal to minus sin y in 1. Dou z by dou y we can write it as minus cos x into sin y minus sin y. Now we integrate this one with respect to y. So this one we can write it as minus cos x into integration of sin y is minus cos y minus sin y is minus cos y plus function of x is arbitrary constant. Now we write it this as cos y, we can write it as common. Here we get cos x plus 1 plus g of x. Here it is given that, what is given? Z is 0 when y is odd multiple of pi by 2. What is odd multiple of pi by 2? 1 time pi by 2, 3 times pi by 2, 5 times pi by 2. So here these things are odd number. We can write it as 2n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 of pi by 2. Substitute 0, we get 1 pi by 2, substitute 1, we get 3 pi by 2. Now we substitute in this one, z is 0, cos y is 2 times n plus 1, sorry 2n plus 1 of pi by 2 into cos x plus 1 of g of x. So cos pi by 2 is what? 0. Any multiplication of odd by into pi by 2 for cos is 0. So here complete term becomes 0 plus g of x. So g of x is 0. So we substitute g of x in z. So we get the answer z equal to cos phi of cos x plus 1 as the answer. Now we discuss some other problem. Let us consider solve dou square u by dou x into dou t equal to e power minus t into cos x, given that u is 0 when t is 0 and dou u by dou t is 0 when x is 0. Show that t tends to infinity as u tends to sin x. Solution. So here dou by dou t is there. So first we integrate with respect to x. So we can write it this as dou u by dou t equal to. So integration of cos x is sin x into e power minus t plus t is constant. So function of t is arbitrary function. Now here we have dou u by dou t. It is given that ut is 0 when x is 0. So substitute here dou u by dou t is 0, sin 0 into e power minus t plus f of t. Sin 0 is 0, so the complete term becomes 0. F of t is 0. Now dou u by dou t become e power minus t into sin x. Now integrate with respect to t. So this one is u equal to, so integration of e power minus t is e power minus t dividing by component of minus t is, component of t is minus 1 will be in the denominator into sin x. Here we are integrating with respect to t. Function x is constant. Now it is given that u is 0 when t is 0. So u is 0 e minus e power minus 0 into sin x plus f of x. So bring it to left hand side. E power 0 is 1. So sin x equal to f of x. So here substitute f of x in u. So we get u equal to minus e power minus t into sin x plus sin x. We take sin x common. We get 1 minus e power minus t as the answer. Solve